Hey everybody, welcome back to the Pizza Artist. On today's video, I got a special surprise. Steak mushroom pizza. That's right. I'm showing you the steak I made yesterday. I barbecued the steak. It's so dry, you can wear it as shoes. So today I'm going to try and put it on the pizza. So I'll tell you what, right now I'm going to show you oh, the light just went out. Tell you what, people, I'm going to give you some advice if you're making YouTube videos. Make sure all your equipment is charged up before you start shooting your video. Or else you're going to end up like me. Okay, there I am. The light's back on. I fully charged it. There it is. Mushrooms all chopped up. Look at that steak. It looks better now than it did yesterday. I'm telling you now, I don't know what I did to that steak yesterday, but it was unedible. But today, hopefully, we can eat it. I'm going to fry it up with that onion and mushrooms. There's the pan. See? A little bit of salt, a little bit of oil. Did I use olive oil? I can't remember. It's got to be olive oil. I'm Italian, right? So there's the olive oil with the onions. I'm sauteing it up. I'm going to throw in the mushrooms. I'm going to throw in the steak that I cut up. I didn't cut it so thick. I didn't cut it so thin. Just right. It's going to saute. Hopefully it's going to get a little bit of that oil in it and the flavor of the onions and the mushrooms. I'm going to put it on top of the pizza and it's going to be super delicious. Oh, by the way, I'm going to use barbecue sauce with this so that it adds to the steak. You know what I'm trying to say? It's going to be a steak, mushroom, onion, pizza like you won't believe. Oh, I can't wait to eat this thing. Look at that. Look, now I'm putting in the steak. I'm going to cook it all up. I'm going to get the dough ready. Oh, I can't wait to eat this pizza. It looks delicious already. Oh, steak. It was a pretty good steak. Oh, who am I kidding? All right, let's get busy. All right, one thing I have to tell everybody about today's video is I got two different types of pizza dough. I have a regular, there it is. That's like a regular bakery pizza dough. Regular white flour pizza dough. The other pizza dough is a New York style pizza dough. It's a recipe that Teresa and I have been working on. We're trying to, actually this is it right here. This is it. We're trying to perfect it. So I'm showing you I'm putting the barbecue sauce on it. Yeah, I know we're putting barbecue sauce on this pizza, but the whole point of it is I'm making a mushroom steak pizza. Yeah. But that one there, the one I'm putting the first one right here. Yes, that one is a New York style. It's been rested in the fridge for 5 days and covered up in a bowl with olive oil. And the other ones are regular like the ones we sell at the bakery. So I want to try and see the difference right now, and then over the next couple of videos I'm going to try and perfect this dough, and then I'm going to share the recipe with you guys and we'll see if I got it right or not, or perfect or not. For me so far it's been working out great. We've been to New York, we've been to Toronto, we've been to London, we've been to Chicago. We're trying to get everything that we've learned on all these cities, all the different flavors, all the different pizza doughs, all the different toppings, all the different tomato styles. We're trying to get a perfect pizza. And right now I think the pizza dough is where we're going to start. We're going to try and get it perfect, and we're almost there. So this here is the New York style pizza dough that we're working on right now, and I'm making this pizza with it. So at the end of the video we're going to see how good it is. And hopefully you're going to enjoy it. Hopefully it comes out good. I'm going to share with you guys and we'll be able to make a New York style pizza together on the Pizza Artist. Okay, so here's the regular white pizza. The regular one. And here's the New York style pizza. Wow, what a difference. I don't know if you can tell from there. That crust looks great. Let's take a close-up. Come on, Ken, fix it. Try not to shake too much. That's a good comparison right there. Let's get it. Right there. Okay, well, we gotta cut it and taste it. That one is the New York style one. I let it rest for 5 days in the fridge downstairs. This is the fresh bread dough, regular pizza dough. That's the New York style one. with oil and everything. The pizza dough, especially for New York style pizza. Okay, let's cut it and eat it. Let's find out which ones. They both look great. Okay, let's cut this one. Oh, listen to that cut. Ooh. Oh my God. Sounds so good. Look at that. Look at the way it's thick. Wow. Oh, that's beautiful. That. The pizza's ready. Now this is the, oh, it's still beautiful too, but it's not like, you see the sides? It's a little bit more thicker. Doesn't stay on its own, but it still looks and smells great. Tad, we need you to do a taste test to tell me which one you think is better. Okay, so I'm gonna try the New York style pizza first. Look how beautiful it is. Look how beautiful. Ooh. I'm not gonna put any hot sauce on it. I just want to see how it tastes. Smells great. Mmm. It reminds me of Grimaldi's. Oh my God. Ah. The steak was terrible yesterday, but today, sauteed it up, a little bit better. Oh, so crispy. So this one, I let it rest in a bowl like this in the fridge downstairs for 5 days. 5. Makes a big difference. Mmm. Now, wow, that's so crispy. If you're into that kind of stuff, I am. A lot of people like the Napolitano, where it's soft and spongy. That's good too if you like that stuff. This one's the regular pizza though. It still smells good. You know what? It tastes good too. Soft, spongy. Not as crispy as the other one. I overcooked the steak yesterday. Embarrassing. But today, this one was a lot better than that one. So let's hurry up and go get her.